Good evening, guys. Welcome to Sathya Technology, your Java class by Venkata Reddy. Now, let's start today's session, guys. Guys, first of all, is it audible to everyone? Is it sounds good, guys? Everyone, is it audible? Fine, good, nice. Yeah. Yeah. Before going to start your Java sessions, guys, before start your Java session, so of course you all are joined for Java session, right? So before going to start our actual session, a small confirmation, guys. Small confirmation from all of you. I just want to know what is your status of all of you, right? Because if I know the status of you, so that I can move our classrooms very smooth manner, right? In our session, in our meeting, how many of you know any programming language? Sir, I know C language, C++, Java, Python, .NET, or some other thing, some other thing. If you know anything, just ping me, guys. Don't worry, guys. I never ask any questions regarding to your mentioned languages. Just confirmation, guys. Which languages you know? What is the programming language you know? What are the programming languages you know? Just for the sake of confirmation, I never ask any questions. Don't worry. Okay. I never ask any questions, guys. Just so if I know the status of all of our thing, so we can move on very easy, right? So I need the status of everyone where we are. So good. C language, SQL, JavaScript, of course, fresher. Good, nice. So don't know any programming language. Very good, no problem. Dattatreya already attended our previous sessions. Dattatreya, I think you attended our previous batch also, right? Okay, one class you attended. Good. Yeah, guys, I'm not asking the coding language knowledge because the person who finished the course, that doesn't means that is good in programming, right? The person who finished the programming language, that doesn't means the person is not good in programming language. So of course we have right now, because situation is like that, not your mistake, guys. The situation is like that. So most of the times what we have in the sense, yes, our courses are done, we are getting the certificates, but we are unable to do the programming ourselves. Very few people can do, remaining almost not only you guys, me also at the time of my career. So MCA at the time of my MCA, at the time of my not MTech, at the time of my MCA. In MTech scenario changed, of course. At the time of my MCA, even I'm unable to do my programming myself at the time of first year. Slowly I pick up because I met with a good faculty, so that I can pick up, I can do the programming very good. Now I'm in a position to give the training to others also, and I'm working in a company also. Yes, fine, good. Guys, remember one more point. So these sessions are for freshers, as well as here I'm conducting the sessions. So for the purpose of freshers, those who don't know anything. Second category is what? The persons who finish the course but unable to do the programming. The persons who do the programming means finish the course but unable to do the programming themselves. And the third category is what? Some gaps are, I'm not at all belongs to computer background. I'm not at all belongs to computer background. I'm civil, I'm mechanical background, triple E background, but I need a job in software sector. So I'm trying to get a job in software sector. That's why I came here. I don't know anything. I don't know anything in way. I don't know anything in way. So in programming language, but I want to know, sir. I want to know, sir. So for all those categories of people, for all those members, is for all those members is we planned for these sessions, guys. But Guys, I will give you, I will provide a good subject for you, don't worry. But at the same time, I need, at the same time, I need, okay, at the same time, I need what? Your cooperation also. You have to practice. What are the instructions I'm going to give you? If you are following everything, definitely you are going to get, definitely you are going to get a good subject, guys. Otherwise, no use of attending these classes. Okay? Yeah. Guys, what are the questions you have in your mind? Stop your questions. I will give a time to you guys. At the end of the session, you can happily, you can ping the questions. I will give the answers. Not at starting, at end of the sessions. So my way of, my requirement will be only one thing, guys. When our session is going on, talk about the subject. Just talk about the subject. Yes, we will discuss about the subject only. Now other discussions. In that subject, whatever the topic is going on, in that subject, if you have any doubt, in that subject, if you have any doubt, then you can happily ping me. I'll respond on that particular topic. Don't ask any advanced topics. I never responded. I never responded if you are not asking, if you are asking any question related to other than our topic. Other than our topic. Okay. So, whatever the session is going on, first listen the topic. Yes, listen the topic. Just go with the topics. Observe the topic. Almost I will give the full clarity. Once the topic is done, I'll give the time. Then you can ping the questions. I'll give the answers. About the topic, if you have any other question, at the end of the session, I'll give the time. At that time, you can freely ask me. I will answer your questions, guys. About the subject, if you have any other question, end of the session, you can ping me. Because of one person, I can't disturb all other members, guys. Okay, I have to consider not only one person, I have to consider all the members, right? So this is my way of teaching, guys. Of course, my name is Venkata Reddy and my qualification is MC MTech. I have an 8 years of experience, guys. I have an 8 years of experience. So you don't worry about the training period, guys. That in our training period, yes, I'm going to take care of you completely, guys. But you have to follow my instructions day to day. Every day you have to attend. Every day you have to follow the rules. Yeah. So let's start the actual class, guys. All boring concept, guys. Theory. All everyone motivated. No, motivated is not required, right? We need what subject? Let's directly start into our subject, guys. Yeah. Um, guys, for observe, if you go anywhere in your college, in your company level, or if you go to any other place, whatever. Yeah. Sandeep, I said that one only. I know some people will ask this type of questions. That's why I said, apart of subject, any other question, end of the session, ask me. Okay, then I will reply, guys. Understood, I think. In Telugu, క్లాస్ వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు ఎవరు క్వశ్చన్స్ అడగండి. రిలేటెడ్ మన సబ్జెక్ట్ రిలేటెడ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటే వాటిని మటుకు అడగండి. సబ్జెక్ట్ కాకుండా వేరే క్వశ్చన్స్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద సెషన్లో అడగండి. తెలుగు. आपको मेरे को हिंदी कुछ नहीं आता गाइस. I don't know Hindi, so don't ask me sir speak in Hindi because so Hindi I don't know Hindi much more. Okay, if you speak, yes, I can understand, but I can't reply in Hindi, so don't ask the questions in Hindi. Okay, and don't ask me also Hindi classes. I'm not good in Hindi. मेरे को हिंदी मालूम नहीं, so थोड़ा थोड़ा आता, I can understand, but I can't speak, guys. Don't ask that questions. Okay, yeah. So today let's directly start into our topic, guys. Our topic is what? Yes, the first one, program. Yes, I always starts with the every class, guys, whatever the class it may be, I always started with a concept called program. Whatever the concept it may be, I always started with a concept called program because we are the developers, guys. We are developers. Developer work is what? If you are in a college, if you are in a company, if you go to anywhere, if you go to some other place, any place, every time our major target is what? Program. Now, guys, What you know? What is a program, guys? What is program, guys? If you know any answer, just ping me, guys. What is program? Of course, good. It is a set of instructions a user can do a task by it. Users never do the task, right? Our systems will do the task. Your electronic devices are doing the task. User never do any task, right? Yes. Yes, yes. Go ahead, guys. Good, good. So a program means simply what we can say, that's a program is nothing but a set of instructions. Set of instructions. Program is nothing but what, guys? Program is nothing but it is a set of instructions. Oh, fine, nice. Set of instructions. Very good. Program is nothing but set of instructions. Sir, what is the purpose of these instructions? These set of instructions are used to perform. These set of instructions are used to perform task. These set of instructions are used to perform what, guys? Yes. If you want to do any task, guys, observe, if you want to do any task, yes, what is required, guys? Program is required. If you want to do any task means what, guys? Here task means what? Sir, I just want to send a message to my friend. In WhatsApp you are sending message, right? That is one task. Program is required. If you want to transfer any message, I want to transfer a message to my friend, sir, yes, internally program is required. What that program contain? Program contains some instructions, sir. Because of the instructions your message goes to your friend. I want to withdraw money, sir. If you want to withdraw money, yes, some task. I want to deposit money, yes, task. So whatever it may be, guys, everything is called as an what? Task, right? Task means set of instructions. Task means what? So task is nothing but a set of, sorry, program is nothing but a set of instructions which is used to perform a task. Which is used to perform a task. So if you want to transfer money, if you want to deposit money, if you want to, okay, book the ticket, if you want to cancel the order, if you want to place the order, if you want to book a product, order a product, okay, so if you want to join a meeting, if you want to conducting classes, online classes, if you want to operate TV, if you want to operate AC, if you want to generate hotel bills, if you want to generate restaurant bills, for everywhere, anywhere, we need programs. We need programs, right? If you go to anywhere, yes, what is required? Yes, programs are quite common, right? So what is a program is simply we say that set of instructions. So we understand what is a program, we understand, right? What we understand, guys, what is a program, we understand, right? Okay, then first what we have to go, why programming? What we observe is what is a program, we understand, fine, good. What is a program, we understand, fine, good. Second point is what, guys? Second point is what? Why program? Why program? We have to understand that why program, the requirement is why we have to move on to programming. The question is why programming? Yes, requirement, why we need programming. Without programming, everything will be good, nice. Without programming, everything will be good, nice. But all of a sudden, why programming? All of a sudden, why programming? Now let us check here. Why programming? In the sense, the answer is very simple. The first reason is, guys, here I will mention the reason, guys. Here I will mention the reason. You just support my points, guys. Okay? Of course. Guys, those who attended already my batch, you know the answers. Remaining people don't know. If you are already attended my batch now, okay, just hold on your anxiety. Other people just respond, guys. The reason number one. The reason number one. Observe why programming. The reason number one is to communicate with electronic devices. We need what? Programming, guys. For example, here I have our guy. Who is that? This is a tinny boy. Yes, very nice, very cute boy is available. This person want to communicate with one electronic device. This tinny boy, okay, observe guys, this tinny boy want to communicate. Yes, good, fine. Yeah, guys, observe this tinny boy, what he want to do, he want to communicate with one electronic device, guys. This is one electronic device. So his requirement is what? He just want to communicate with electronic device. This is what? Electronic device. So if you want to communicate, if you want to provide a communication to electronic device, if you want to provide a communication to electronic device, then obviously what is required? Yes, we need program. Here what is required, guys? Program is required. Observe guys, first point, what is the first requirement? If you want to communicate with electronic devices, if you want to communicate with electronic devices, compulsory what is required? Program is required to communicate with electronic device. Yes. To support my point, ping me guys the answers. Yes, to support my points, just ping me the answers. Give me one example, real time, where you observe this type of things. Mobile phones, antennas, calculator, ATM, sensors, very good. Others, operating laptops, lift, very good. Others. Yes, everyone, washing machine, TVs, banking, remote, very good. Yes, of course. Guys, almost all your answers are 100% correct, guys. Now observe, what is the point, guys, here? If you want to communicate with lift, guys, lift is electronic device. Did you agree for that one? Lift, is it an electronic device? Everyone guys, lift, is it an electronic device? Did you agree for that? So in that lift, what we have to do, guys? In that lift, what I have to do, guys? If you want to move one floor to another floor, just you press the button, right? Then your lift will move and stop into third floor, fifth floor, sixth floor. Means you are able to communicate with electronic device. And bus ticket. You ask one ticket for Secunderabad. The bus conductor will press one button. Ticket is generated. That means the bus conductor is communicating with the electronic device, right? In the same way, observe your hotels, tiffin center. If you ask to order anyone, give me one plate dosa, the person press one button, 7 or 8 or some button, he press, automatically bill is generated. Means what happened here is programs are required to communicate with electronic device. So that task is done. Because of your programs, the task is done. This is the one example which we need to write the program. This is the one reason which we have to write the program. Now observe one more reason, guys. Observe the second reason, guys. The second reason is to provide communication between one or more electronic devices. Observe, to provide communication between two or more electronic devices. Yes, we need what, guys? Yes, we need what? Your programs. To provide communication between two or more electronic devices, yes, we need for example, here an observe, guys, for example, so you want to communicate, you want to provide communication between two or more electronic devices. You want to provide a communication between two or more electronic devices. In this scenario, yes, what is required, guys? Yes, programs required. To support my point, can you give the examples, guys? To support my point, can you ping me the answers? Any examples? Very good, Divya Lakshmi. Others? Others? Conference, TV remote, printer, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Very good. Others. Everyone has to ping me, guys. Everyone ping the answers, guys. Yes, good. Good. Yeah, guys, don't go for big example, guys. Our real time, which you observe, that example only take it. Don't go for different places. Okay? Yeah. Guys, observe in our meeting around 130 plus members are available, but out of 130 members, only 60 members are responded, guys. Up to now, only 60 members sends the answers. That means it's not even not 50% of the candidate not responded. That's why I said, what is the problem of us in the sense we are not responding? That is the major problem. Okay. Anyhow, My duty is my duty, right? I have to provide a good subject for you. Yes, sir. So the best example is your TV and your remote. Observe your TV and remote, two electronic devices providing communication. If you go to shopping mall, if you purchase some items, the operator, what it will do? You take the item, scan, barcode reader, scan, automatically item cost, everything comes on the system, right? Providing communication between electronic devices. By using your mobile phone, we can communicate. By using your mobile phone, we can control AC, we can control projector, we can control TV, right? That means by using mobile phone, you are controlling different devices, right? Means providing communication between more than two electronic devices, two or more than two electronic devices. So in this scenario, sir, how it is possible? Because of simple reason. Because of simple reason. What is the reason? Yes, programs. Internally programs are there. Because of programs only it is possible. Because of programs only it is possible. And the third one. And the third one. Observe guys, one more third reason is what? To reduce human work. Yes, to reduce human work, yes, we need programs. Yes, observe. I will give the example directly so that it is easy to understand you also. Guys, because of Amazon, is it your work is reduced or increased? Because of Amazon, is it your work is reduced or increased? Everyone think. And because of Swiggy or Zomato or Tomato or some other apps, because of Book My Show or Just Tickets or some other apps, because of what? Yes, APS RTC or TS RTC or else Red Bus or Blue Bus or some other bus. Okay, because of IRCTC. Observe guys, because of all these things, is it your work reduced or increased? Just have a think. In all these cases, what we are doing, guys? In all these cases, what we are doing? Yes, our work is reduced, right? Internally, in order to do these applications, these softwares, in order to develop these softwares, what we have to do? We need to write program, right? Without programs, you can't do it anything. So, why program? Why program? Means that because of three reasons we have to go for programming. Because of three reasons we have to go for programming. What are the three reasons? The first one is to communicate with electronic devices. Yes, we need the programming. The second reason is what? To provide communication between two or more electronic devices. Yes, we need programming. Yes, here also what is required? Program is required. Program is required. And to reduce human work in all these cases, all these are called as in what? All these are called as in your softwares, right? So here also what is required? Yes, we need program. Yes, in Amazon, Swiggy, Zomato, Book My Show or APSRTC, in all these softwares, only one program, only one task, multiple task. We are going to perform only one task or multiple task. Think guys, one task or multiple task. Of course, some multiple tasks are, some people will book the tickets, some people will cancel the tickets, some people will search buses. Okay, we are performing different operations, right? So not for a same task, multiple tasks are available. We never perform same task, we are performing different task, right? We are going to perform different task. Some people, what they are doing, observe guys, whenever you open Amazon, whenever I'm opening Amazon guys, whenever you open Amazon, some people what, search the items, some people search the items, I need pen drive, some people will search the items, and some people what they will do, some people they are going to buy the product, so add to cart, select the item, add to cart. Of course it is asking mobile email IDs. Okay, add to cart, then buy the item, right? So here not one task, we have multiple tasks are available, means one program is not sufficient to perform, to develop one software. We need what, multiple programs are required. One program is not at all sufficient. One program is not at all sufficient, not at all sufficient. We need what, one more program. We need one more program. Yes, we need one more program. Of course, we need multiple programs. If we have multiple programs, so because of multiple programs, we can perform what? Multiple tasks. One more task. One more task. Because of multiple programs, yes, we can do what, guys? Yes, we can perform multiple tasks. This is possible because of multiple programs. This is possible because of multiple programs. Yes, of course, these multiple programs are combinedly will called as, these multiple programs are combinedly will called as an what? One software. These multiple programs simply will call as what, guys? One software. So what is a software? Simply we can say that a software is a collection of, a software is a collection of programs. Observe guys, a software is nothing but collection of programs. A software is nothing but collection of programs. Everyone observe guys. What is a program? A program is a set of instructions to perform a task. A program is a set of instructions to perform a task. Right? Now, what is a software? A software is a collection of programs which is used to perform multiple tasks. A software is a collection of programs which is used to perform multiple tasks, is called as in software. Is called as in what? Software. Fine, good. Then how to develop the software, guys? How to develop a software? How to develop software means simple. Sir, by using programming language. If I have a programming language, then I can develop the software. Yes, we need what? Programming language. Programming language is required to develop a software. Everyone observe. What is required, guys, to develop your software? Yes, if you want to develop a software, we need programming language. By using, yes, by using programming language, by using programming language, we can develop software. Observe guys, by using programming language, we can develop software. Guys, what we observe up to now? First one, what is a program? Guys, what is a program? Set of instructions to perform a task. What is a software? So, set of programs to perform multiple tasks is called as a software. How to develop software? So, if you want to develop a software, we have to use a programming language. By using programming language, we can develop our software. So, programming language means we have different types of programming languages are available, right? What are the programming languages we have, guys, to develop the softwares? What are the programming languages that are available to develop the software? What you know? Which programming language you know? Just ping me, guys. What are the programming languages you know? Just ping me. Yes, of course. Of course. Very good. Very good. Good, guys. Now most of the people are giving answers. Very good. Fine. Yes, yes. Django is not a programming language. Who's that? Monica. Django is not a programming language. Observe, we have a programming language called Python. We have a programming language called Python. Python is available. Python is called as one programming language. And we have a programming language called Java. We have a programming language called Java. And we have a programming language called .NET. Actually, .NET is not a programming language, guys. .NET is also a framework. It is not a programming language. .NET also not a programming language. .NET is also one framework. .NET. And some people are using PHP. Of course, some people are using C language. Some people are using C language. Means what, guys? Yes. So programming language, in the sense, in market we have, as we have Python programming language is available, we have Java is available, .NET is available, and we have PHP programming language is available, and C language is also available, right? You can use any one and you can develop the softwares, guys. You can use any one and you can develop the softwares. But our target is what? So our target is Java. Our target is what? Java. Guys, I never mentioned that. So Java is great, remaining programming languages are waste. I never said Java is great, remaining languages are waste. All languages are very, very important. All languages are very, very important. It depends on client requirement and project requirement. Based on the project requirement, so which language we have to use, that one decided, guys. No one, don't say that. If anyone asks what is the best language, sir, among these two, don't say anything, guys. If anyone asks also, if anyone says also, don't believe that. All programming languages are very good. All are required. We can't say one is required, one is not required. All programming languages are required based on the requirement, software requirement. Sometimes we have to use C language, sometimes we have to use .NET, sometimes we have to use what? Python, sometimes we have to use what? Java, sometimes we have to use PHP. Our target is what? Sir, I want to learn Java. Why, sir? Why you want to learn Java? Because Java is a topmost language compared to all other programming language. Java is one of the topmost programming language in order to compare all other programming languages. That's why I want to learn Java. Oh, fine, good, nice. Okay. So this is our basic introduction, guys. I didn't talk anything about Java. So those who want to learn Java, if you learn Java, what is the benefit for you? If you learn Java, what is benefit for you? In Java, what topics will come? How we are going to learn in Java? These part S we will discuss in tomorrow's session, not today. Today what we discussed, guys, observe. Today what we discussed, have a look. Today what we discussed, have a points. We discussed the point called what is program, right? Guys, what is a program? Everyone ping the answer, guys. What is program? Yes, everyone ping the answer. What is program? Based on today concept. A set of instructions. Very good, fine. Next one. What is software? What is software? Yes, collection of programs, set of programs, fine, good, to perform multiple tasks. Very good. Yes, collection of programs which are used to perform multiple tasks. And we observe, next one is what? We observe how to develop programs, how to develop softwares, how to develop programs, or how to develop softwares. What is required to develop software? Simply I change you guys. Question I will change. What is required to develop programs or softwares? What is required to develop programs or softwares? What programming languages are required to develop? Programming languages are required to develop your programs or softwares, right? Now we observe why programming. Without programming our life is very happy, but even though why programming, already we observed three reasons, right? Why programming means we already observed three reasons. Remember three reasons? What are the three reasons, guys? To communicate with electronic device is the first reason. To communicate with electronic device. Second reason, to provide communication between two or more electronic devices. Third one, to reduce human work. Because of these three reasons, yes, we need what, guys? Programming, right? Yes, we understood only these points, guys. Today we understood this point. Now we have in different types of programming languages. In that one, why I have to learn Java? Why we have to learn Java? This is important question. The reason क्या है? If I learn Java, what is the benefit for us? Okay, Hema, it's not simple. Okay, the reason is very simple. That part I will discuss in tomorrow session, guys. Okay, this why we have to learn Java. If I learn Java, what is the benefit for us? What is the benefit for us? What we are going to do in future with this Java? That part we are going to discuss in further classes, guys. Guys, this is today topic, guys. Guys, regarding to today topic, do you have any question? Regarding to today topic only. Other questions I will give time. Today topic, any questions you can ping me, guys. Other questions I'll give answer later. First observe any questions regarding to today topics. No, right? Guys, everyone, what you have to do? Along with me, everyone, take running notes, guys. Everyone, you have to take the running notes. Of course, this is not that much of important. So once if I started the class, everyone has to keep the notes. Everyone has to keep the notes. Okay, and I will dictate the notes. I will give the points. You have to take the notes itself. Okay, of course today is not recorded, guys. This is just introduction classes, right? This is demo classes. Today and tomorrow just demo classes. Notes is not recorded. You never get much notes. Some overview points will come. Okay, but once actual topic will started, okay, then what I'm going to do, then you have to take the notes, running notes, guys. Everyone has to take the running notes. Okay, yes. So this is my way of teaching, guys. Like I'm going that now. If you have any question, 1 minute, guys. I forgot to inform. Daily our class timing will be. Daily I'm going to start our class at 4:05 p.m. So our class starts at 4 o'clock only. Class starts at 4 p.m. But I'm going to start this session. Session starts at 4:05 p.m. 5 minutes grace time for everyone, guys. 5 minutes grace time for everyone. Within this 5 minutes, everyone has to join. 4:05 I'm going to log the meeting, guys. 4:05 I'm going to log the meeting. 5 minutes grace time I'm giving. Remember, guys, 5 minutes grace time I'm providing. Within 5 minutes you have to log in, guys. 4:05 I'm going to log the meeting. After that, if you are trying to log in also, you can't log in, guys. Okay. Right. So that's the part my side, guys. That is my part. And now if you have any questions, now you can ping me. I will be ready to give the answer, guys. Daily 1 hour session, guys. Daily I'm going to take 1 hour session. At present, daily I'm going to take 1 hour session. Okay, after that 1 hour you just practice yourself. Next 1 hour practice. So totally pack with 4 to 6. Just pack with 4 to 6. Sandeep, no Sandeep. We are not providing. Of course, Dattatreya. So if you are attending Venkata Reddy sir sessions, in the sense already you attended one time. Okay, Venkata Reddy sir sessions, in the sense all real time scenarios you are going to get. Okay, 1 hour class only, Hema, 1 hour class only. 1 hour you have to practice. Totally reserved 2 hours time. 1 hour class, 1 hour for practice. Jobs always available, Raj. Companies needs more candidates, but the problem is what? Students are not there. Students are not there. I mean, the good persons are not there. Good programmers are not there. Students are there with having the certificates, but students are not there with the subject. That is the problem of company. Ourselves we we rejected many candidates because of no subject. Yeah, no problem. That is not a problem. Lakshmi Prasanna, yeah. If any network issues comes middle, if you cancel again, you can log in. That is not a problem. 4 5 because otherwise what happened? People will join 5 minutes delay, 10 minutes delay. People join and they're asking, sir, I missed starting 10 minutes time because I already started, right? Some basic introduction missed. They're unable to understand. Sir, once again explain starting one. Once again explain starting one. People will ask like that. Guys, how to explain starting one once again? Already 100 120 members or 130 members are there in the session. Okay, so 130 members are there for in the meeting, so how can we repeat? So you have to start, you will be there by the time, on time, you have to follow, right? If you have any doubts, we can clarify the doubt. We can't repeat entire thing, right? So is I said that one only. Okay, your marks, your percentage, your certificates doesn't matter. Your subject knowledge matters. Your subject knowledge matters. How much subject you have, that matters. If I give any task, are you able to do it or not? That matters. If you are able to do it, 100% you are eligible. 100% you are eligible to do the task. I mean, to work in a software company. So task in the sense, observe what is the type of task. It doesn't matter your percentage, guys. Requirement. What type of task? Whenever you're practicing, you have to practice like this. Observe, this is one project, guys. This is one project which you can do by using your core Java. By using your core Java, you have to do this task. A subject Domino's Pizza Hut related task. So you have to display the menu card, and so you can ask the customer based on the customer requirement, take the order and ask the customer whether they want to add the item, delete item or modify item. Your Domino's Pizza Hut, if customer says one, what is the item you want to add the item. If they want to delete the item. Modify the item. If available, not available, what I have to do, available, what I have to do, everything you have to do. Based on that, display the order items, then prepare the bill list and finally generate the bill. So this is the programs which you have to do, not for addition of two numbers, subtraction of the two numbers. Then yes, my core Java is over. Yes, good, keep it up. Then go, sir, give me job. Who will give the job if you are doing addition, subtraction? No one will give you the job if you are doing addition, subtraction programs. We have to do the projects. So in our sessions, yes, we are going to do this type of projects, guys. In our session, yes, of course, we are going to do this type of projects. If you are continuing Venkata Reddy sessions, definitely you can improve your skills, Vinayak. It will take around 45 sessions, Venkat. Pranavi, within 10 days, give me 10 days time. Within 10 days, you can do program yourself. Not big program. Yourself, you can do it, the program. At present, only 1 hour. Yeah, it is the first day. At present, only 1 hour. Lakshmi Prasanna, Sathya Technologies, those who then complete Java for them. Those who don't complete Java for them is Sathya Technology provide the certificate for offline, not online mode. If institutes are open, you can collect it. Online mode in the sense, I don't know. You have to communicate with office. Actually, still we didn't complete corejava also. We are asking for placements. Of course, we have means companies having requirements are available. Definitely, they inform us. But in corejava level, I never informed to anyone because corejava candidates they never ask. Company people are expecting ready to work candidates. Those who are having complete Java knowledge, that candidates they need guys. They need a candidates ready to work. So with core Java you can't do work in companies. Along with core Java you need advanced Java, Spring concept also you need guys. Along with core Java you need advanced Java as well as Spring concept also required. I'll inform what is the required if you want to work in software company in tomorrow's session. I mean coming sessions. Gayatri you can practice in mobile phone. Sanvis some I'm unable to inform the things guys because if I expose the details, that's why if you observe my FB, no FB, even you cannot find me in YouTube also because I have an issue with my company. I'm working and work from home. If I expose myself, company name I can give Area Technologies is company name, but I can't expose anywhere, guys. Gayatri, I'll inform. Gayatri, I'll inform. Don't worry. Whenever I started the program, then I will inform. Okay. Yes, whether you belongs to okay, whether you belongs to whatever the department, computer background or non-computer background, whatever it may be. Yes, 100% we can learn if we know addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Guys, I need if you know addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, that's enough. My classes is enough. Kaparthi, Sri Lakshmi, my classes are enough. I'm giving lot of examples, lot of projects I'm give you. If you go with that one, if you do that one, that's enough. You will be 100% perfect in the programming. Yourself. You're not depending on any other person. If you practice well, my classes 100% enough. Okay. Right now, no, I'm not providing anything, guys. Right now, I'm not providing anything. You have to wait. Right now, you have to take the running notes. Yes, Sandeep. Once we start the programming, then I'm going to give you the case studies. Based on the case studies, you have to do the programming. Already I show you right on case study. The Amazon, Domino's Pizza Hut. Like I'm going to give you case study. Based on that, you have to do it. Any other questions? Guys, everyone, join before join before 4:05. Join before 4:05. Don't join later. Gayatri will see later, not now. At present, we are not starting anything, not required, right? I'm directly after the session, I'm directly communicating with you. If you have any question, you can directly ask me. Yes, Sandeep. Saturdays also I will take. Sundays means this Sunday I never take. It will take time. Yes, I think already you attended my old session. I already shared the syllabus, right? The old session also you asked the syllabus. I already shared the syllabus with you. Divya Lakshmi, not me, yourself you can feel within 10 days. Just wait for 2 weeks time. Just wait for 2 weeks time. Yourself you only said, yes, we can develop the programs. If I said, nah, that is my confidence level, so that is not good. If I said with you, that will be fine, right? You only said within, wait for 2 weeks. First session itself, we can't show a complete picture, right? Anything Galaxy M30, anything, whatever you want, you can install anything, no problem. Your choice, that's your choice. Yeah, so that's it for today, guys, and we'll meet tomorrow at 4 o'clock. Thank you, guys.